Hi, Scott. Is that your motorcycle? Wow. Will Scott riding in a motorcycle?
Yeah, drawing.
What is the name of your motorcycle, Scott? Scott? Kuya? Wally Justin? Hello? Wally Justin? What is the name of Scott's motorcycle?
Zombie driver.
Come again?
Hey, no, Counter-Strike motorcycle.
This is Counter-Strike motorcycle.
Yeah.
Oh, really? That was good. Nice name. Counter-Strike motorcycle. Scott, what do you call that? Sorry? Wow, it's not working anymore. Why, what happened, Scott? Okay, no problem. We will buy a new one next time, okay? Okay.